JLPT in 5 Grammar Explanation, Lesson 14. Ichibang, verb conjugation. Verbs in Japanese change their forms. They conjugate and they are divided into 3 groups according to the type of conjugation. Nibang, verb groups. Group 1 verbs, Godan verbs. In these verbs of this group, the last sound of the mass form is that of the E line. Examples: kakimas, to write. Kaki is the stem. Nomimas, to drink. Numi is the stem. The verb stem is the part of the verb that remains when you remove the mass ending. Group 2 verbs or Ichidan verbs. In most of the verbs of this group, the last sound of the mass form is that of the E line, but some verbs have the last sound of the E line. Examples: tabimas, to eat. Tabe is the stem. Misimas, to show. Mise is the stem. Mimas, to see. Mi is the stem. Group 3 verbs or irregular verbs. Verbs of this group include shimas, to do, and nouns denoting an action plus shimas. For example, benkyo shimasu, to study. Benkyo is the noun study, and shimasu is the verb to do. Sangbang, verb te form. The verb form which ends with te or de is called the te form. How to make the te form of a verb depends on which group the verb belongs to. Group 1, Godan verbs, depending on the last sound of the mass form. The te form of the verbs of this group is made as shown in the form table. For example, ikimas, to go. Ikimas becomes itte. Group 2 or Ichidan verbs. Attach te to the mass form. For example, tabimas, to eat. Tabimas becomes tabite. Group 3 or irregular verbs. Attach te to the mass form. For example, shimas, to do. Shimas becomes shite. For example, kimas, to come. Kimas becomes kite. Yongbang, verb te form kudasai, please do. This sentence pattern is used to ask, instruct, or encourage the listener to do something. Naturally, if the listener is one's superior, this expression cannot be used for giving instructions to him or her. The sentences shown below are examples of asking, instructing, and encouraging, respectively. For examples, sumimasen ga, kono kanji no yomikata o oshiete kudasai. Excuse me, could you tell me how to read this kanji, please? Koko ni Joshua to namae o kaite kudasai. Please write your name and address here. Zehi asubi ni kite kudasai. Please come to my place. Gobang, verb te form plus imas. This sentence pattern indicates that a certain action or motion is in progress. For example, Mira-san wa ima den wa o kakiteimasu. Mr. Miller is making a phone call now. Ima, ami ga futeimasu ka? Is it raining now? Hai, futeimasu. Yes, it is. Iye, futeimasen. No, it is not. Rokubang, verb must form plus mashoka. Shall I? This expression is used when the speaker is offering to do something for the listener. For example, A. Ashita mo ikimashou ka? Shall I come tomorrow too? B. 上手に来てください. Yes, please come at 10. A. Kasa o kashimashu ka? Shall I lend you an umbrella? B. Sumimasen. Onegai shimasu. Yes, please. A. Nimutsu mochimashu ka? Shall I carry your parcel? B. Iie, kekko desu. No, thank you. In the above example conversations, B demonstrates how to politely ask or instruct someone to do something, to accept an offer with gratitude, and to decline an offer politely. Nanabang. Sentence 1, ga. Sentence 2, but. This structure is used to connect two sentences lightly, often making an excuse or an introductory remark. For examples, Shitsuri desu ga onamae wa? Excuse me, but may I have your name? Sumimasen ga shio o totte kudasai. Excuse me, but please pass me the salt. Hachibang. Noun ga, verb. When describing a natural phenomenon, the subject is indicated by ga. For example, Ami ga poteimasu. It is raining. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Japanese Learning Hub. And see you in the next lesson. Mata ne!